Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. It is New Music Friday. Now Jada Kingdom treated fans to new music earlier today, adding a modern day spin to SZA Kalanji's 2012 single Dry Cry. The teaser on her Instagram page in less than 24 hours reached over 500,000 plays.
Those days, just one of those days. Me under pressure, massa. Must be the curse of a first-born daughter. Dog, me must up the so called mama. Don't me tell you the
Kingdom's release coincides with her clearing of her Instagram page, which boasts nearly 3 million followers, which usually is a signal of new beginnings for artists. Jada was recently listed as artist to watch for 2024 by US media iHeartMedia. The Witch Girl singer makes the list as the only Jamaican act among the 24 artists listed. Now, as it relates to SZA's Dry Cry, last year Canadian rapper Drake also showed love to the 2012 hit. Music producer Russian and social media sensation Niggy Boy sees success with their single Continent. The track on Russian's Dirty Money Rhythm disrupted iTunes reggae genre on Thursday by securing the second spot on the chart's reggae category. Now on Friday, the track also ascended from number 10 on YouTube trending for Jamaica to claim the number 3 spot, while ranking at number 25 in Canada and the United Kingdom.
Continental girl I take set, want me for themself forever except man loose cannon me never dead set, when me aim for fire me target in excess, yes.
Russian has seen success following the re-release of his 2009 Go-Go Club rhythm under the title Dirty Money Rhythm. According to World Music News, for the week ending December 14, Dirty Money Rhythm took the top 2 positions on YouTube's weekly chart for Jamaica with Raja Wild's Go-Go and Nigeria's Fat Fat. Go-Go also displaced Massacre's 2 weeks reign atop the Apple Music's chart for Jamaica. Coca T not dead. The veteran reggae artist has been confirmed alive, according to his wife, Malvia Scott. Speaking with the Gleaner, Scott stated that Coca T is in hospital and urged persons to stop spreading rumors and asked for prayers and privacy at this time. She did not provide any details about his illness. Now, according to the Gleaner, rumors of Coca T's passing have been ongoing since October last year and took on a new life due to a rumored illness between December and the start of the new year. Now, we send our prayers and support to the family at this time. Dexter Daps releases star-studded track list. Now, following his album cover release early this week, rhythm and dancehall artist Dexter Daps has released via his official Instagram page the track list for his upcoming album, which sees features with Jada Kingdom, Massacre, Chronic Law, Elaine, and Raleigh Banks. In an Instagram post, the Forever singer stated that this project is a reflection of his journey and some of the different layers of his life. It's something for everybody. The 16-track album is broken down in 3 categories, which includes reality songs, explicit songs, and heartfelt love songs. We wait. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.